take it,
You don't know
and
that,
we're
bro.
gonna. Someone take the
That
reverse.
might be one of
Someone take the reverse.
Is that
Someone do
them?
reverse nade. Someone do
That's
reverse
them.
nade.
That's them. That's them.
Yeah, that's
left,
them.
left,
That's them.
left.
That's them.
Push out. Tagged one.
Look. This is what we're gonna do. Oh shit! Just fight them.
Yeah, just fight them. Good rev nade. One's knocked. Nice. Easy, bro.
Who's this?
Bro, I don't have any meds after this heal gun. What is
There's
this,
no
bro?
way.
I'm gonna die. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Bro,
You
there's
died.
no way.
No.
No way, dude. That's so dumb. Are you
He
kidding me,
was
bro?
inside.
That's a random, bro.
What the fuck?
Wait, is that a random? Bro, my pumps are
Why
so
is
slow.
there random? Exactly. Mine like everything
What
is
the-
dead.
No, dude. Bro, they're so bad. That's crazy.
Watch them get dual
I'll
spotted.
have the body block. No, bro. That's so dumb. Tell them we should redo that.
Oh
Like,
yeah, we
vector.
can key drop. We can key drop. I have rev nades. If they try to get it, we can just rev nade the shot.
There's a random here.
Got it?
That is them. Yeah. Semi-spring. Tagged one. He tagged me somehow. It's just lag, bro. Here, sweet, I can... Are we keying them? Oh yeah, we're definitely keying them. Oh, I'm lagging, bro. Got him.
Ah shit.
Oh wait, no, that was a... Wait, there's hella loot here, though. Nades?
Oh, it's a 4v4.
Oh, lagging. That's gold, what? Wait, what? That's them? Oh, my bad,
It's a
bro.
4v4.
Let's pretend I didn't say to not key them. Yo, let me vector spam, bruh.
Literally.
Bruh, this man portal. Don't follow.
3, 2, 1. Go in the portal. Go in the portal.
Why? Bro, I'm getting 1,000 MS. What are you?
I don't know.
Oh, wait,
I
that
don't
was
know what I
them?
did.
What?
I was paying attention to Troop B and I was thinking about it.
Shit.
Bro, I am so
I don't know, I don't-
laggy.
Like,
Don't. 3 weeks. Don't you think it's a little
Damn,
string?
bruh.
Like a tiny
Yo,
string.
X, bro. Wait, that's them? Okay.
Oh, that's them.
Okay, we actually have to, like... I don't even feel like trying still, bruh. Wait, let me heal gun you guys.
I was just
Take a hive.
healing and they all just jumped on me, lol.
Whatever, we're not trying. I don't really care if we lose.
The kid under got beamed.
Oh, that kid's so low, bruh.
They're all low. They're all really low. You can dual squad them. They're so blasty. If you could aim,
I'm lagging,
this would
bruh.
be the easiest shit in the world. Okay. Shit.
Yeah, I'm hard
You can
lagging.
do this, Sweet. You can do this. You got it, Sweet. You got it, Sweet.
I'm legit gonna melee them, so I move faster. Oh, this is
they're
them.
all here.
Knocked one.
Not
They were dead in 2 seconds, bro. Yo.
I told you, just run
Bro.
over them.